Hello, and welcome back to Crypto Zombies. This is Chapter 4, Math Operations. It says, math in Solidity is pretty straightforward. The following operations are the same as in most programming languages. So addition is the plus, subtraction minus, multiplication, the asterisk, division, /, modulus is the remainder, and it's a percent sign. So same as most other programming languages. So Solidity also supports exponential operators, so like x to the power of y, and it's done this way. uint x is assigned 5 to the power of 2, which would be 25. Because 5 times 5 is 25. Down here it says, put it to the test. To make sure our zombie's DNA is only 16 characters, let's make another uint equal to 10 to the 16th power. That way we can later use the modulus operator to shorten an integer to 16 digits. Create a uint named dnaModulus and set it equal to 10 to the power of dnaDigits. Pretty easy. Here we go to right under start here, and we're doing the same uint. This is called dnaModulus, and we're assigning to it 10 to the power of, which was twice dnaDigits. Okay, and that should satisfy the answer. And it did. The important thing is just refreshing on math operators. It's very similar to other languages. We got plus, minus, times, division, and then modulus, which will give us the remainder. That is pretty much it for this lesson. I will see you guys on the next one.